Hey, what's up guys, welcome to the course of WordPress. So previously in our previous tutorials you must have seen how to register for the domain name and web hosting. So now what I'll do is I won't be wasting my more money in taking the domain name and the web hosting. So these are some of the screen recordings which I have which I took while I was registering for aestheticdebonair.com domain, and for this domain I had taken the web hosting. So that time I had taken few screenshots, so I will show you how to do that now. Henceforth I'll be showing you these screenshots. So this is the first screenshot. So these are number of the items which I have in inside of my this cart, which is web hosting, which cost around 2748. This is the premium web hosting in which I could register whatever number of the domains I want, and then I got one SSL certificate for free, and this is my domain name which cost me around 12 rupees. Next, once you do that, I mean after you are done adding all the items to your cart, just click on pay now. After that you will get these payment options. Select whatever payment option that you are comfortable with. I had selected this first option, which is Visa and MasterCard option. Then you will be taken to this tab where you have to enter your card details, like a name on the card, then the card number, expiry date, CVC number, etc, etc. And once you are done with that, you will get the option down below. Just click on that, and after that, once you are done with the payment, you will be taken to this page. You just have to click on the start now. So when you click on the start now, you will get this tab, this page where this domain name, whatever domain name that is selected by you, you will get that domain name present over here. You just have to select the domain name and click on select. After that, you have to enter your first name, last name, then the address, state, country, all these details you have to fill, including your phone number, and click on this finished domain registration. So basically this is the registration process for your domain, whatever domain name that you are taking. And once you are done with that, click on this tab which says build a new website. Okay, then after selecting this, after clicking on this tab, you will be taken to this page where you have to select on this WordPress option. Okay, you just have to select this option over here. Just click on this select, and once you are done with that, you have to remember this email ID and the password really very carefully. Okay, so just make note of this. Whatever email ID and the password that you enter over here, this is used by you in order to log in inside of your website. So this is really very important. Just remember the email ID and password that you enter over here, then click on continue. And yeah, this is the same slide. And once you're done with that, after that you have to select a template over here. Okay, so there are a number of the templates which are given over here. You can select whatever template that suits you. From my point of view, you should be selecting the Astra. Okay, so just click over here inside of the search and type Astra, and if you are getting the Astra theme, then select that one, or you can just select whatever theme that you want over here. You are free to do so. There are a lot many themes present over here. You can select whatever you want. And yeah, this many number of the themes which are present over here. Whenever you will hover on any of this theme, you will get this select option. Just click on this select, and once you select that particular theme, that theme will be used for your website. Okay, and after that it will take some time to set up things for you. So it will take at least 5 minutes, and once the setup has been done, you will get this option which is finish setup. Just click on this, and it will do a few more environment setup thing. And once the entire thing has been done, then the next step is uploading files. This all these steps will be carried out by this web hosting automatically. You don't have to take attention about it. Then you'll be taken to the dashboard of the hostinger. This is the dashboard. If this option is off, then you have to just click over here and turn it on. Okay, so this is your related to your SSL certificate. So just turn it on. If it is off, by default it is off. Currently this is the this option is off. Just click on this and it will turn it on. Okay, and yeah, this is the same slide. And after that, this is the dashboard. Okay, so just scroll down below, just take the slider down below. Okay, so just drag it down below, and after that at the end of the page you will get this, you will see this option which is install another WordPress. Click on install. Okay, and once you are done with that, you just have to click on this your domain name, and you will be able to preview the theme what is selected by you for your website. Okay, so just click on this domain which is selected by you, and you will see some output on the page. Okay, in the next tutorial I will show you how to log in inside of your website and carry out the changes. Okay, so thanks for watching. This is all about how to carry out the procedure after you are done with the payment. Okay, so thanks for watching.